If your product and engineering teams are not on the same page, having difficulty communicating, and not quite working together to deliver value to your customers, you're in the right place. I've led product and engineering teams for over the last decade, and prior to that, I was a software developer, so I've experienced things from both sides. After seeing the same challenge in product development and delivery again and again, I decided to take a step back and find a solution. I've worked with large and small organizations, enterprises and startups across various industries, including telcos, healthcare, fintech, where I've worked with teams delivering solutions using cloud technology, new tech, old tech, and the challenges are the same. That is that there is a disconnect between different disciplines: engineers, product owners, product managers, data scientists, data engineers, test automations, your stakeholders, and your customers. Agile recommends cross-functional teams, and great things happen when multidisciplinary teams come together. People with distinct ways of working need to work together to be successful, but that is a challenge if not addressed correctly. The challenge is most pronounced between product and engineering, who really need to work arm in arm to deliver successful customer outcomes. But often what happens is that product can't see progress against their priorities, engineers don't understand the vision, and so everybody becomes disenfranchised because working together becomes hard, and working together is the only way to succeed together. So morale plummets, productivity plummets, no one is happy, and ultimately your customers are not happy. Why does this happen? Well, there are two reasons why this can happen. The first, as I said, each discipline has their own way of working, their own language, their own processes, their own communication style, their own artifacts, their own reports, and even their own cadence. The second reason is that the methodologies being used by each discipline leave a lot to interpretation. For example, take Scrum. It's a framework, and although it provides a set of values and principles, the rest is open to interpretation. And in most cases, everyone's interpretation is different. You might have seen this in your own organization. Either you'll have a lot of difficulty in reaching a consensus around ways of working, or you're forever churning new ideas and never really achieving a working baseline for predictable delivery. Now, if you think about lean product development, it isn't clear how it connects to Jira workflows. And Jira is where all of your engineers work. In summary, each discipline has their own ways of working, which don't interoperate that well. And moreover, these methodologies leave a lot to interpretation. So how do we overcome this? We've taken the industry's best practices for methodologies you are already using and turned them into a playbook for an end-to-end connected ways of working. We're Agile Heuristics. Heuristics are the diluted, practical implementation techniques learned through practice and deep analysis of mistakes and successes. The playbook glues together product and engineering processes so that everyone is on the same page. This means it's clear to everyone on a day-to-day basis how the company strategy links to stories and tasks, and vice versa how progress on stories and tasks relate to stakeholder milestones. You have a solid baseline for delivery. Engineers know why they're building things, and stakeholders can see progress against their priorities. This builds trust between disciplines, especially product and engineering. You get a happy and functional team, which results in happy customers. If you're interested in learning more, click on the link below to book a 30-minute, no obligation strategy session with us. The session is free, and during the call, we'll discuss your concerns, share our experience with you, and provide 2 tangible solution options to help with your most important challenges. I'm sure we can change the way your product and engineering teams work together, and look forward to chatting.